Welcome back to Inside. As mentioned, Gary is here from Home Comfort Experts. He's going to tell us how we can make our homes a little safer. We've talked about this before. There are some filters we can put in our house that can help make the air a little cleaner. And obviously, we're all concerned about clean air and keeping any virus, but especially the dreaded coronavirus, out of our homes right now.
Yeah, you know, we've talked about it a considerable amount in the past about indoor air quality. It's becoming more and more important right now, especially with people are having to spend a lot of time at home. There's things that you can do to help clean your air and the surfaces in your home. You know, we've talked before about the Remy Halo, which I brought one here. It's on the table. What it does, it emits hydroperoxide molecules into the air, which not only does it kill things that pass it with the UV light that it has, but the peroxide molecules will kill things on the surface. It'll kill certain viruses wherever your air in your home can reach.
And listen, that's going to help even if you knock on some wood and you don't get exposed to the coronavirus. Listen, if you have people who have allergies, 'tis the season.
It is. We're getting ready to head into spring. If you haven't noticed, the trees outside are starting to get buds on them.
They're thinking about it.
They're thinking about it, and it's good to see. You know, we have to get ready for that as well. You know, filtration in your home, which I brought a filter as well.
And this is something, we can get one of these from you and we could change it ourselves.
That's correct. It's a micro power guard filter. It's an electrostatically charged filter.
That's a word for you.
Yeah. It catches 97% of particles down to 3 microns, which means 3 microns, very small. Okay, all right.
Itty bitty.
Itty bitty. And it stops those molecules from passing through your ductwork going into your home, and it makes it easier for you to breathe in your home. So
let's say somebody says, well, I just changed my filter, pick a number, 3 months ago. Normally I change it every 6 months, or I change it once a year. Not gonna hurt, is it, to do that extra, just we keep hearing out of an abundance of caution. That seems to be a hot, topic, a hot word. So out of an abundance of caution, it's not gonna hurt you to upgrade to that bigger filter, or to go ahead and change it again. Yeah, just go ahead and change it. I always tell people anyway, make sure you check your air filter once a month. Different times of the year. Right now, more people in your home than you normally have. Oh, yes. It's going to affect how dirty your filter gets. You know, a lot of teenagers, people home from school right now. Are you just rubbing it in? Is that what you're doing? I'm trying to rub it in a little bit. You know, house full of teenagers. They're dirty. Yes, they are. Dirty little things. And your filter may need changed a lot more often. So you guys are still making calls. We are still doing calls. You can still come help people. You can still install a Remy Halo filter. And you are being extra cautious too. Yeah, we're being extra cautious. When we call, if you have regular maintenance plan, they're going to be asking you if anybody in the home is sick or been in contact with anybody that's sick. The technicians are taking extra steps, going as far as wiping down iPads, pens, that type of stuff to make sure that they're clean. And we're keeping our distance from our customers as much as possible when we come into the homes, and making sure that, trying to keep our technicians and the homeowner safe as we possibly can. And that's just it. We can social distance, but we can still live our lives. And there are things that we still have to do, and one of those is stay safe. And if staying safer is getting a new filter or getting the Remy Halo installed in your house, you can do it. And all you have to do is call Home Comfort Experts today, 490-5100. Check them out online. We'll be right back.